Good morning, traders. Woo! Hot cakes. Hot cakes. Hot cakes are on the griddle. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at what we got here. Nero's still running, and I am still holding. I'm up $900 now. Let's see if this thing can keep ripping. Now, that being said, we are breaking out a little early in pre-market, so don't catch FOMO and jump in this right at the bell, because you could get destroyed. Yeah, Fat Boy Drizzy, it's a good day. It's a very good day. There we go. Now I got a little bit more light in here. You guys can see me. What's up, buddy? So, now I did buy 10 shares yesterday at 26. I already sold 5 today. And I still got 25 left. 20 from whenever Nero started running. And 5 left from that position from yesterday. And I've got all my funds too. So, if Neuro gives more opportunities, I'm going to be ready. But Neuro came out with good earnings this morning. They had higher revenues, almost up $1 million from last year. So that's just more hype for this thing. You got in at 1901. Very nice. Yeah, I originally got in this back here at $4. And I'm sold most of it, and I've been holding this 20 shares. Held it all the way through yesterday, and still holding a day, so we'll see what happens there. But like I said, don't get caught up in the FOMO. Gonna have to break the previous high yesterday at 38.67 and then break 40 if this is gonna continue to run. I'm kind of expecting a pullback at market open. And that's why I'm saying be cautious. But there's no telling. This could easily shoot up because we're going to be gapping up way up here. This could be another possible gap and go, but this would be the third day straight of this thing going up. So at some point there's got to be a pullback. Looks like we got 8 minutes left here before market open. I'm not planning on doing anything right at the moment. I'm going to see what it's going to do at the market open before I sell anything else. Unless it starts ripping before market open, then I might lock that other 5 out. But we do have some possible other plays. Real quick, while we're chilling out here, I want to look at some of these other plays, see what they're doing. And screw GLG, yep, they never did anything. Verb, no volume on it. I don't care about MEDS. AEMD possibly could be a play. Let's see, let's look through the volume. See. Come back here. Don't you get glitchy on me, think. Excuse me. Don't you get glitchy on me, Thinkorswim. CMI maybe could be a play today. It's trying to hold up the 200 day. So we'll keep it on watch. EYS climbing yesterday in after hours. Same thing, trying to hold up the 200. And needs to break back through 510 basically for it to get moving. WISA, they launched an Amazon storefront. They've got exclusive, so they're trying to boost this up. But very low float, right around that $5 area as well, so possible play there. XEL's falling back below the moving averages. NXRP, they got a first successful commercial formulation, enable volume manufacture and stockpiling of COVID-19 medication subject to approval. So it's not gotten approval yet. So they just got some stuff ready and they're happy about it. Oh, we just broke out even more on, oh, we're still breaking out here. Oh, boy. But it's going to be the Neuro show. Until Neuro sells off, I'd say all eyes are going to be on Neuro today. Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, it's 11 million in volume in pre-market. So now that we just broke that high, there's no telling where the top is going to be. But I would expect the top to be coming somewhere or something, some type of pullback or correction. If we just open up and keep shooting up, then I'm not complaining if that happens. But IGC is another possible one. Look at this, we're still running all the way up to 40. Yeah. Debate where if I want to sell that other 5. Yeah, you know what? I am going to share that other 5. Sell that other 5 shares here at $40, and then keep my original 20 just to see what it does. Or maybe I won't. Look at, I was going to try to lock it in over 40, but should be smart and lock that part in. Let's see if it's going to start pushing over 40 first, because it's staying above 39.50 at the moment. We got 3.5 minutes left. I'm starting to get a little pullback there. But yeah, probably going to be all eyes on Neuro here at the bell. But I'm telling you, if you're not in this yet, do not fall victim to FOMO at the open. Because it's just hitting that new high year. I mean, we just ran $12 basically in the past 30 minutes. So it's got to be a pullback coming at some point. Well, I guess I'll hold this 5 for a second here. It's trying to come back up and test 40. We're almost in the market open. Let me go through the rest of this list real quick. AHER. This could possibly make a move today. Probably nothing on LEX. Take that off. Whoops. Verb, maybe. APRE. That looks like garbage. SGOC, that looks like garbage. It's PRT, that's possibly could break 5. NVFY. NVFY could possibly get going today. AMD could get going today as well. Break a $6 on AMD and that can run. ALF breaking the downtrend, we'll leave it on. AHPI could get something. That looks like trash. ERL, that's okay. Actually, they don't have any volume. I'm going to take these ones without volume on. So they don't got any volume, they ain't going to do anything. Come on, get off there. Come on. See what's Neuro. So Neuro's right there. Real quick, guys, I'm going to restart my Thinkorswim. So I'm going to just turn this background off for a minute because I'm going to have to re-log in. But I had it on all night. So I wanted to be ready to see this in the morning. And I was pretty much up all night working on the website and a bunch of other stuff. I haven't really been to sleep yet, but that's all right. I'm feeling pretty good. I got some rest early yesterday, so after the live stream, so I'm good to go here. Should be about to open right as soon as I pop this on. Trying to get over 1,000. I was over 1,000 there for a second, but it's about to open up 11 seconds. We are having a little bit of a pullback. Whoops, wrong one. There you go. Now I'm back on here. Alright, so I need to switch this market. Let's see what we are going to do here. Starting to push out. Well, trying to push up off that 10-day. A little pullback. This thing is $36. You can see that wedge where it broke out of. The uptrend on Euro is way down at 23, so that's why I'm a little concerned about it coming back down, especially after just hitting 40. Yeah, pulling back some more, and that's what I was saying. Be careful at market open, because it does look like we're going to try to hold 35 support. See EYES starting to pop up. Let me hop in here. You see this daily chart? It's got to break 524. I got filled at 510. Let's see if it starts running or not. We want to hold up $5 support on this. Neuro still running at 35 area. I did get in a little early because I'm looking for this crossover, and we're very close to crossing over, but we got to get over 515. There it goes. It just started crossing a little bit. That's what I'm saying. We got to get up over 510, 515 to get this cross. It's going to be a close one there. Ooh, Neuro having a dumpski. This is what I was talking about. Got to watch the FOMO so you don't get caught up in a dump like this. Now with that dumping, we may see some volume come into EYS. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Come on, EYS. Let's go. Let's see. We got big resistance at 520. So we break through 520. We can move up to 550. Breaking 520, trying to test 525. Getting a little rejection there at 525. About to close on this candle in 30 seconds. Coming back down a little bit. Oh, it should be crossed over. Yeah, we're crossed over there. Oh, no, we're still not. This still could turn around. It's trying. Oh, there it goes. That was a good strong close there. Pulling that 10 EMA adaptive above the 40, getting across over here. Trying to build support at 510. Ooh, big buyer just came in at 512. Oh, he just got taken out. See, and you said IGC was popping too. Let me throw IGC on here. See, I didn't even look at the SPY today. How's the SPY looking? SPY having a sell-off here at the beginning of the day. So that could make things interesting. See, WSI fixing to get a crossover here as well. If this breaks 450, I'm gonna go, or 550. Yeah, I'm going on this too. Oh. Almost. Ooh, how many shares did I get on this? Okay, I did just get 50. Okay. Starting to move up on it. UYES, still not sure about it. I'm going to put a little stop loss in here probably. Now, oh, wait a second. Yeah, both of these getting crossovers. WISA just has to break. Actually, it's got to break right here, 563. Yeah, and it just did. So new high a year. And if it can break pre-market high, it could get going. Yeah, close to pre-market high. Struggling a little bit here at this 575. Yeah, I'll have to check IGC in a second. That's what Fat Boy Drizzy was saying. I haven't looked at it yet. Eyes looking a little ugly here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that stop loss in case it cracks. Put it at what? Why didn't you show me the thing? I got that stop loss in there. What's WSI? Nero's back unhalted. WSI still trying to push. Get out of here. And Nero starting to dump a little bit more, so I'm going to lock out this other 5 shares on Neuro. I still got the 20 left. I'm going to hold for a little bit longer. Eyes still trying to hold up. Let's take a look at IGC. IGC's been climbing. We need a little bit of pullback there. They got a patent for Alzheimer's with THC. That's interesting. Looks like we're going to push for the... Ooh. We might push for this pre-market high break here on WISA. We saw making money today. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. If we break $6, it is on. Oh, I just got stopped out on eyes. $14 loss there. That's fine. No big deal. We ain't sweating that. See if we're gonna push for 6. We came to 5.95. See we're oh boy, there's nothing ahead of us. If we break 6, there's nothing on the past chart as support and resistance. It's gonna be natural support and resistance. So every 25 cents. If this can break 6. Little rejection there at 6. Good morning, Brian. I may end up adding to that. And keep an eye on Neuro. If Neuro starts to find a area of support, which it's trying right now, yeah, $30 is trying to hold a support. If that could hold, we could see this turn around, come back up. Oh, I got my scanner on. CUEN was just halted on the way up. PRFX halted as well. Halts all over the place. Boy, what a hot market we're in. GSMG, nothing there. We used to coming back down some. $5.50 trying to hold a support on WISA. WISA. What's going on? What is it? That's Brian Coleman, right? I don't know why I keep forgetting that. I just keep seeing the Shauna and I want to call you Shauna. See, IGC's selling off, so nothing there at the moment. Neuro trying to hold there. We got 45 seconds. This candle might close green. If it closes over 575, we ought to be good for another test of 6. And SPY just kind of hanging out. Well, actually, SPY just had a big bounce. Well, I guess it's not that big of a bounce, but a bounce. Neuro coming back. Yeah, Neuro's still coming down to that $30 area test, and actually just cracked below 30. Looks like we just hit 6. We start breaking 6. I'm gonna add 50 more here. Looks like it's gonna try to start breaking 6. Here we go. Very nice. See if this thing can get halted. So we need to break and hold 6. Neuro's still holding at 30. That's what we want to see. If Neuro continues to hold 30, it could be a possible play. But we want to see WISA break out at the moment. This Neuro, as long as it's holding 30, that's fine. You can see testing. It did just cross over. No, we'll see. Wait a minute. Oh, I just bought 5. Damn it. Damn it. I bought 5 shares, not 50. I thought I bought 50. See if 6 starts to break, I'm gonna grab them. I'm gonna grab them anyway. It looks like it's gonna try to go. Now do I have 100? Yeah, okay. So I got 100 with an average of 574. Little indecision here, so we may get rejected at 6. Yeah, getting rejected, coming back down. I want to hold 575. Let's try and hold at 575. See QEN. And PRFX going straight up. Halted again out the gate. It's got pre-market high 850. Neuro's still holding 30. So Neuro might could start getting some action here. Looks like we're going to try to test 6 here again. And you going to get it this time? Yeah, very nice, very nice. Come on in here. Tell me about your day, WISA. Tell me how you're feeling. You gonna see a 650 maybe? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pushing through 625. Very nice. How much more you got? 620. Let's see. Let's say if we keep getting hung up at 625, I'm going to lock it out. Got some selling at 628 for some reason. Okay, they're gone. There we go. Breaking through 630. Come on, little buddy. Can you get up this? No, still getting hung up at 625. 6 trying to hold us some support. What do you got for me? What do you got for me? Can you hold that 6? Breaking through 625 again, testing 630, breaking through 630, testing 635. Still kind of struggling with 625. It's struggling with that high of day so far at 635 and the resistance at 625. So I may get ready to lock this out. Still got a few minutes on this candle. Neuro still hovering around 30. Just looking for 6 to hold. If 6 starts cracking, I'm going to lock it out. As long as 6 holds, I'm willing to hold this. There we go. Starting to push back up again. Back over 625. See if bids. Yep, bids started stacking at 625. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on up here to 635. Let's get real frisky. Let's get real frisky. WISA. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's them sellers trying to keep you down, but you can't be down. You're an independent woman. You show them what you got. You gotta get over to 625 now. Come on now. Gotta start holding that. There you go. Hey, there we go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, and you're back down to 625. Give me just a second, guys. So this 650 gonna be tough. 650 looks like it's gonna be tougher than 6 was. Yeah, we're still struggling with 625. Got 30 seconds on this candle. Needs to close above 625. Yeah, looking good. Nice buyer in there at 627. 15 seconds. Close over 630 to be really strong. A little bit of... Oh, we might get it. Oh, now. Hold on now. What we got here? Oh, let's see. Indecision candle. Start pushing down. I'm getting out. And push up. Let's go. I'm going to lock it out. What did I do? I only locked half out. Oh yeah, okay. I set that for a reason. I locked half out because that was my thoughts a couple minutes ago, so. Don't much like this indecision candle. 625 still holding as resistance. Boy, you're close to making me lock the rest of this out. Still struggling 625. Okay, there it goes. Bunch of sellers at 630 again. Now, if this candle starts turning green, when you start breaking 635, this is probably going to rip to 650. And as I said it, here it goes. Let's see, we need to break through 645. Getting close. Very, very close. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to test 650 right here. Nice buyer in there. So they got taken out. Neuro dropping a little bit now. We got a bunch of sellers sitting at 645, so we got to break 645, and there we go. And 648 is the previous high, so sellers sitting there. See if we can break through them. Excellent, excellent, beautiful WISA. Beautiful. Let's go. 660, a little selling volume. Very nice. Up to 670. We might start dancing in the live stream today. 670 might break down. 670 breaking down. 675 breaking down. 680 breaking down. Let's go. Let's get this thing halted. Come on. Let's get this thing halted. So we're getting hung up in that 675 area after hitting that new high. gonna keep pushing. How much more you got? I'm gonna lock 10 out up here because I'll feel dumb if I don't lock anything out and it drops back down. I'm trying not to do stupid stuff anymore. Oh, we might test 7 here. Ooh, very close. See what this candle does. This could be a double top if this candle starts turning back red. It's going to need to push to 7 on this candle if it's going to break out anymore. DGBI, that getting a little pop up. I'm getting pops all over the place. Neuro still selling off. That's what I was saying this morning in pre-market. I was saying, watch, be careful, because it could get shysty. Don't be dumb, take the money. It's about to break out some more, man. They launched the Amazon store. People love that, man. It's not like, you know, anybody can launch an Amazon store, but, you know, stock market people like to see that. They're like, oh, that's that place open Amazon store. Well, they might not sell anything at the Amazon store. We don't know, but if people like it, if they like the hype, they're going to push it. I think we're going to test 7. Got hold up 675. Nope, not hold up 675. Drop back down to 650 on the adaptive. As long as 650 can hold. $650 starting to crack. I'm getting out of it. So just locked it out there. So $64 in profit on WISA. Very nice. Neuro getting close to the bottom of the downtrend. Keep an eye on it. Don't be dumb, take the money. That's what One Life says. This guy could break out. It's above all EMAs. Got to break 575 and then 6. This could be another possible play. Now, WISA may not be done. Yeah, it's trying to push back up some more, bouncing off that adaptive. So there's a possibility. Yeah, Neuro trying to hold up that area. Okay. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got anything else going on? PRFX, you sold off. CUN, you sold off. NXRP, maybe possible breakout if it can break over 12. Nothing there yet. SPRT, did I not just take you off my list? No, I did leave you on the list. SPRT coming straight up. Break of 6, that could start running. They got some type of alpha report or something. Looks like it may try to test 6, so we'll keep this one on alert. I don't want to grab it yet. Maybe a little pullback to like 5. Well, I don't know. 575 may not be bad. Pull back down a little bit. See, we got a little while on this candle. I'll take it there. If I can get filled. I don't know if I'm going to get filled or not. I may not get filled. Wait a minute, there's some funky stuff going on with the seller. Let's see. Neuro. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. What was that I was looking at? IGC possible U shape. WISA. Yeah, so that was a good lockout there. WSA selling off. Whew, eyes just dying. Well, oh, it was SPRT. That's what I was looking at. Damn, I'd have liked to got it where I was trying to get it. It's not letting me. Couldn't get it though. If I can, okay, I got filled at 580. Let's see if it can break 6. Looking for the break of 6. Got some selling at 584. $580.20, $560. Gonna close on this candle in 1 minute. Get through that 584. Oh, here we go. See if we can break 585. Little sell in there. Getting some buys in. Slowly slicing through that 585. Why are we getting rejected at 584? Oh, right there. That's why. That's why we're getting rejected right here. Yeah, so break a 6. This can go nuts. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get that break. It's trying. Nero's got to break this downtrend. That's not Nero, that's SEMI. No wonder that chart pattern looks a little different. Yeah, Nero's got to break this downtrend to continue to climb. Oops. No. There we go. Breaking over 585. Looks like we're going to try to push for 6 here. A lot of selling right above it, though. So we're having some issues at 589. There we go. Can we get through 590? Maybe. Slicing through, slowly cutting through. There we go. There we go. All right. We're just slowly putting the 6. There we go. All right, let's see 6. See 6 on the ask. We got some selling at 6 for sure. See if they get. Oh, they're getting cut out really quick. Oh, let's see. We're gonna break here. We might have to dawdle around here for a few minutes. Oh no, we might break here. These asks are slowly getting taken out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh. It's so close. Sellers are still coming in at 6 though. They're getting taken out, but they're putting up a fight here. Yeah, more sellers pushing in at 6. Oh. Not much left. Not many left. Sellers keep coming in at 6. Hello, Lori. How are you doing today? Why won't you break? Just break. Looks like WISA is coming back up to 7. Oh, yeah. Nice pop there. All the way up to 7. I'm going to grab a little more of this. We're still trying to break 6 here. Yeah, WISA, because it went straight up, I want to give it some time. It may pull back one more time. It may break 7, but yeah, it's about to break 6. Oh, SPRT breaking over 6. Here we go. Let's stay focused on the trade I'm in. I'll worry about that one later. Ooh, starting to push very nicely here. Up to 620. I don't see $6 hold support. Oh, Neuro trying to get to that downtrend there. Break back above 30, Neuro could be a play again. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Just trying to make as much money as I can today. Glad I didn't jump in on Wisa. That's what I was nervous. When you see the U shape kind of like that right there, and then all of a sudden after the indecision candle it just goes straight up, you're usually not going to break out, because if you just run straight up into resistance, it's like jumping on a trampoline into a ceiling. You gotta build up for that breakout. You can't just bounce up there and jump through it. Here we go. Let's move a little bit. I'm trying to break 625. I mean, at this point, the next resistance is not till 710, so this could run a whole nother dollar. Very nice. There's a bunch of things just popped up on my scanner. Ooh. A little quick drop back down there all of a sudden. Got a little crazy spread there for a minute too. There it goes, starting to come back up. Neuro riding right down this downtrend. Now, if Neuro, like I said, if Neuro comes down to 25, I might look for an entry. Ooh, coming back down. I may have to hop out here. Well, that 575 should hold us some support. Well, let's see. Is the SPY dropping? Because everything seems to be dropping at the moment. Yeah, SPY dropping a little bit, not much, but a lot of indecision on the SPY today. Ooh, CMI U-shape coming back up to 5. Just starting to cross over. Yeah, I grab some CMI here if I can. There we go. I'll take that CMI. It's got to break over 5 though. If it doesn't break 5, it can come back down. I do like that little U-shape there we got going. Let's see, 10's there. I'm going to throw a little stop loss in here just to make sure no matter what I don't take a loss on this. And was it 40? What did I get in that? 40 shares? Yeah. 40 shares. And we don't, let's see, 585 is there. So let's go. Let's go 583, right below the adaptive. The CMI still has to cross over. Back here. Yeah, probably shouldn't have got it under the 200 day. That 200 day right there is actually not a good thing, but we'll see. If it starts pushing back up to 5, it should be ready to go. SPRT starting to climb back up. You gonna push CMI or not? SPRT back down. That thing's going everywhere. Nero's still selling off. Looks like we may come down to that 25 area for the trend line. Yeah, me too. I hope everybody does make a lot of money today, cause I'm doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy so far. A lot of indecision on CEMI, but that 10-day is starting to cross over the 40-day EMA. We just need to see it push to 5. We got this indecision candle. We don't want it to drop back down. We want it to push up, close upward. Definitely getting some fight on some of these resistance levels. I may get stopped out here. It's very close to stopping me. But you got this indecision candle here followed by this bearish engulfing. I'm more than likely going to get stopped out. But that will be a win at least. It won't be a big win, but it'll be a win. Unless it holds. It's trying to hold 585. And we'll see. Well, I've got it. Oh yeah, I just got stopped out. It's not going to be a loss anyway on SPRT. I had to stop the stop loss in there right above my entry, so $1 profit. I can always get back in, but I'd rather not take a loss at all. Taking $1 profit's better than taking a loss. CMI starting to push up. We got a lot of resistance ahead. So we got $5. We got 510 where the 200 is. And then looks like we've got 525. Yeah, 520 and 525 and 530. So we pretty much got resistance all the way up to 530. So this has got a lot of resistance ahead, but we'll see. Nero back down to 25. Now, all I want to see is this trend line confirm. Then we could start to see a possible play in there. Here comes the test of 5 on CEMI. Breaking over 5. See if we can break this 200. Gotta break over 510. Five already trying to hold as support. Yeah, 5 holding up. So it's probably going to fumble around here a little bit in this 5 to 525 area for a few minutes. We got Neuro getting buying right as soon as it dropped below 25. So it looks like there may be a chance this 25 holds up this trend line there. IGC still curling up possibly. Nothing there. NXRP could be about ready for another move. HR selling off. Oh, that's not what I'm in. I'm in CEMI. It's possible, but I don't want to say yes. It's too early in the day to tell because there's a lot of time left in the day. Like a lot of things could happen. This could sell off and go back down to $4 or $3, or it could rip up and break over 8.75, or it may just stay around $5. There's no telling right at this moment. So like I don't usually look if I'm gonna swing trade something. Like I don't usually look until midday. And sometimes you'll see me take a day trade and I'll be like, that may be something I can swing. So that like will be in the back of my head all day. But most of the time it's usually better to wait a little while. Wait till after lunch at least to get an idea. It's usually lunchtime. There's some sell-offs across the market. The streamer lost $500. Whew! How are you losing money today? There's been hotcakes all over the place. Oh yeah, absolutely, Lori. Alright guys, real quick, I'm going to take a little break here because I've been staring at the screen since 7:30 this morning, since pre-market, and I'll be right back. It's starting to break 5 a little bit, but yeah, I'll be right back. Well, here comes that. Getting that breakout on CMI, making money on my break. What a beautiful day. So we're going to test this 550 area. We'll see if I can break out or not. If not, I'll probably just lock it out. Let's see. We're looking at 550 now. And we're slowly... Oh, we were going to break through 550 there. Look at that. Bid starting to stack at 550 already. Well, next stop 575. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, CMI. You went nuts yesterday. We gonna have another nutty day on you. I didn't get none of you yesterday. Hurt my feelings. Left me out of the party. Here comes 575. Let's see if we break 575. Frisky. It's all types of frisky today. I'm fired up. It has been a hot week. I'm getting close to pushing 1,000 on this week, which is actually kind of sad because I was at 1,000 on Neuro earlier when it was up at 40. I should have just locked it all out there. Took that 1,000 in profit, but I don't know, man. Neuro, I don't think it's done yet still. Oh, don't come back, Dan. What are you doing? Gotta hold that 550. A little bit of double top. We're trying to hold 550. We don't have a 550. I'm gonna lock it out. What are you getting bored for? Well, are you being profitable consistently at that 10 shares? Because if you are, then scale it up. When you're comfortable and ready to scale it up, go ahead and scale it up. Just remember, patience. These hot markets like this will be... The crazy thing is, normally the hot markets are in the fall, so we're not, especially for the low float penny stocks. So we're not even in those markets yet. So you got plenty of time. Well, what are you averaging? What's your percentage gain per trade that you're making on those 10 shares? Because, of course you're not going to make like a ton of money, but if you're averaging 30, 40%, even 50%, then that's pretty good. So as you scale up, that 40, 50% will be a bigger amount of money. About 10, 20 cents. Yeah, well, you could scale that up. You could scale that up. It's up to you. I can't tell you guys when you're ready to scale up your position sizes and when you're not. I don't see your trading. I only hear about your guys' trading, so it's really up to you. If you feel like you're ready to move up to 50 shares, then maybe move up to 50 shares. Try it one time, and if you don't like the feel of 50 shares, go down to 30 shares. You just got to kind of fill it out because everybody's different. Everybody's risk tolerance is different. All of that. It's a bit of a science. So we are close to cracking 550. A minute and a half on this candle to close. Neuro back up to 27. See, do we have a downtrend? Yeah, we do have a little downtrend here. I didn't notice this downtrend earlier. So 575 is going to be tough. Trying to get back over 550 now, but struggling. 550 starting to act as resistance. This candle's got 20 seconds to close. Really want to see it close over 550, but it's above that adaptive 10, so it's still bullish. And we crossed over that 200 day. But we need to see 575 break if this is going to run anymore. At 550 still holding his resistance. Need to get back over 555 like right away. It's the bottom of that 542. Pulling back a little bit here. I'm just going to throw a little stoppy loss in here just to guarantee my profits. Or guarantee some profits while it's kind of being sketchy. 537. Where do we hit on that candle? 537? Alright. So we'll put it at 536. So got a stop loss in there, 536 if it starts cracking down. It's still trying to hold the adaptive. So if it can push up, oh, I might get stopped out here. At 540 is trying to hold us some support. Yeah, got stopped out there. So $20 on CEMI. That's not bad. Neuro trying to push back up. All right. You don't really use risk to reward like you should. I mean, as long as you're not losing big losses, that's the thing. Like, I've took a loss today. Where's it at? Where the hell did it go? I know I took like a $10 loss somewhere. Something. Well, I lost $10 on something, but I made 64 on WISA, 20 on CMI, so that's 84, and then $1.20 is 85. And then on Neuro, I locked out 10 shares from my swing on yesterday, or my swing from yesterday when I bought another extra 10 right here and held through. So that was 26.15. I locked it at 33 and 31. So that's about $50. So I'm up about 130 on the day so far. Minus the 10, 120. I'm up 120 on the day so far. And I'm not counting the whole profit of Neuro yet, because those 20 shares I still haven't locked out from my original entry the other day. No, it's not bad at all. I'm happy with it. You know, I could call it a day now, and I'd be happy with it. I don't think I have much funds left anyway. Probably like $100 or something. Took multiple trades, but that's all right. I may have enough to add 5 shares to Neuro. If Neuro breaks back over 30, I may. Let me see. Let me look at Neuro on a little bit higher time frame. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful trend line on the. This is on the 4-hour chart. This is just beautifulness. And at 25 on the 4-hour chart, that's where the adaptive moving average is. So even though this has dropped from $40 to 25 today, it's actually still very bullish. I mean, just a beautiful straight trend line, just climbing and bouncing right off of it. So we may get another bounce here. But if it cracks 25, it's probably going to pull back. So that's kind of what I'm looking to see for the rest of the day on Neuro. Is if it's going to keep climbing or crack 25, because that is what we are testing. Quiet stream today. We only got 10 people in here. Where's everybody at? They over on H&H Traders channel watching him? Sure, he'll be in here to talk some trash in a second. Or in a little bit. So we got a little indecision candle here on Neuro. Followed by this red candle, so it could be possible another sell-off. 27's trying to hold. Let's see, how's the SPY doing? Let's check the SPY. SPY pushing up some. NXRP or NRXP has this downtrend. It's got to break before it can start moving. ALZN with a little build up, but all under all EMAs, so nothing there. AFGY. This is a cannabis stock? I'm going to take a look at this later. It's a pretty low float cannabis stock. See, AHPI. Do I still have a share? Oh, I do have 20 shares of AHPI. What was my price on these? 642. It's a 587. So it's 60 cents. I'm down $12 on AHPI. I may cut this out here soon. We'll see. AMD sell-off was looking good. MVFY continuing to sell off. MVFY, like I was saying last night, when you got these I don't know, maybe it's, I don't know, I can't remember what I remember what I was going to say, but I don't think this was the right stock, so not relevant. But anyway, I'm going to take it off the list because it looks pretty ugly. It doesn't look like it's going to do anything else the rest of the week. ALF starting to crack below EMAs, so that one may be done. Whatever this damn play is, WISA could be a possible play here, starting to come back up. Close to a crossover of the 10 over the purple. Break a 650 and WISA could push all the way up to 7 again. See, CMI held 511, so that's still a possible play. SPRT, that doesn't look like anything. See, if that breaks there, I can move up to 14. Just crossed. Don't want to go on this. Don't want to go 10 shares. There's possible break here. I'm going to give it a shot. There we go. 10 shares of NXRP. Looking for the break of this downtrend. May get rejected here, but it is trying. But I hopped in there because of the crossover. Although confirmation won't be for another 4 minutes. This 5-minute candle still got to close with the crossover happening, or it could come back down like it started to do. Oh yeah, a little rejection there. That's a little ugly. But I was willing to, I only went 10 shares. That's why I was willing to try to buy at the break there. If it cracks down, I can get out pretty quickly. I mean, I'm only down $2 right now, so not a big deal. Neuro's still holding up. IPA on my watch list. I haven't seen it. And, oh yeah. This is a nice run so far. It's probably not on my watch list because it has a higher float. I think it does. If I remember correctly, I think I seen the stock a while back and it's got like 200 million in float. Oh, actually, no, it doesn't. It's only got 20 million in float. Huh? Why did that not pop? Unless it's on the NYSE scanner. Oh, that's why. It's on the NYSE scanner. I had my NYSE scanner closed because I've been watching the Nasdaq stocks. But yeah, it's there. It just wasn't on my list. I didn't catch it. But I mean, IGC possible cup and handle could try to re-break 4. If it can break 4, IGC could get going again. Oh, it's starting to break over the downtrend here on NXRP. Let's see if we can make it happen, Captain. I don't know who Captain is, but Daniel B. Captain, that's his name. Sure, he'll be in here to talk trash later. Atlas Discord has been pumping hard. Oh, these silly pumpers. Like, you don't need to pump stocks to make money. You just gotta, find the ones that are going to more than likely run because they're going to get other traders to pump. Testing 1275. Let's see if we can get through. Oh, actually, we're sitting on the bid at 1275. Yeah, we're testing 13. About to break through 13. We break 13 and we're off to the races. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm sitting back relaxing right now. I'm feeling like old Rumpelstiltskin or King Midas. Everything I'm touching is turning to gold today. Let's see, a little double top there. So still testing 13. After the break of 13, we got to break 14. And break of 14, that's where it could get interesting. Although we do have the 50 on the daily at 1674. Little pullback there. What is Atlas Discord? Isn't that like a game? Isn't that a video game? Did somebody name their stock group Atlas? Because that was not a very good idea. This is bad marketing. Because just for the search, you'd have to search. I mean, Atlas is a map, so that's bad. You're going to come up with all kinds of search maps for searching for Atlas, and then you're also going to come up with the video game. Now, I would believe you if you said that it was the video game Discord who's pumping it. Huh. Lots of whale traders. So they're basically trying to pull some Wall Street bets moves. Trying to pump some stocks. Get everybody excited about them. It is illegal to pump stocks. You're not supposed to do that. But to each their own. Still testing this 30, or not 30, but 13 area. And it looks like we may break over it here. Yep, there we go. Let's go. Come on. Get through that 1320. I'm sure. I'm not hating on them. I was just saying, that pumping is illegal. I just don't know. There's a lot of new traders who've been coming into the markets lately, especially with all the financial stuff going on, the economic stuff. Yeah, but that's why I always constantly say I don't want you guys to buy or sell because I'm buying or selling something. I want you guys to make your own decisions. Because here's the difference. You could sit there and follow them trading all day, but then what happens if that group disappears or the SEC cracks down on them and you don't know how to trade? You've just been following some group of guys on Facebook telling you to buy when they're buying or, whatnot. That's not really teaching you anything. You know what I mean? Like, my whole goal is to get you guys to where you don't need me at all. That you can go buy yourself and trade and make money. No, I'm just saying. I'm not knocking them or anything. I'm just saying, to me, it's like, what's the old saying? You teach a man or give a man a fish, he'll be fed for a day. Teach a man to fish, and he'll be fed for life. So I'm trying to teach y'all how to fish. All right, you need to get your fishing license and your worms. This is the Bill Dance Bassmaster Classic channel here. By the way, I haven't mentioned it yet, and I'm not going to mention it again, but frameworkfortune.com is up and live. Go check it out when you got some time if you ain't already a member. Got a lot of content going to be going on there. Members already joining the group. Or the site, I should say. There's more than one group on that site. But yeah, there'll be exclusive content, giveaways there. We got a whole forum board of community. Lots of information, a blog. I don't know if John and Hal are going to be writing on the blog, but there's a lot of things that I'd like to talk about. So, especially the current state of things in the world. Okay, that's a little concerning. Okay, there we go. I was going to say, we don't want this to drop too much. But a lot of information. A lot of information gonna be constantly updated on the site. SPRT coming back up. Break a 6, this could start going. If I didn't mention that already, there's a possibility there. Possible rip there. Let's see. WISA. Nothing quite yet. IPA still selling off at the moment. Neuro starting to get a little push up. We got a little indecision candle here at support. That candle could glows green. We may see Neuro back up to 30 here shortly. Let's go check some. Oh, Neuro back down to 26. All over the place. That doesn't look good. Let's see, this candle's got 30 seconds to close. And maybe another indecision candle. If it starts dumping in this last 10 seconds, that could be problematic. And there we go. Coming back up for another test of 13 on NXRP. Oh, IPA starting to pop back up a little bit after that sell-off. Buyers came in and pushed it back up over 10. So 10 trying to hold a strong support, which was pre-market high. So that possibly could still continue to climb too. NXRP back over 13. We may be about to make another leg up. Rebreak of 13.15, maybe 13.25. We could see this up to 14 here shortly. Neuro getting close to cracking. 25 area. Move that uptrend so I can see where the 200 is. 200 is at 24.29. And XRP getting close to that breakout. Just gotta watch Neuro here real closely because I may lock Neuro out if it cracks. Probably be a smart idea. I sold some at 40, Daniel B. Don't come in here acting like you know what's going on. I bought 10 yesterday at 26 to add to my position, and I sold that 10 up at 33 and 31. Not all the way quite at 40, but I sold that up there. But it's still above the 200-day. Until this 200-day cracks, it could easily, it could easily continue to run. It's been moving up. Oh, NXRP breaking over. Let's see, what's the top there? 14. So, well, we did break up over this previous high there, up to 1370. We're getting a little move there. You see, I have expectations. The only expectations I have is for you to come in here and troll me every day, Daniel B. That's all I expect. See, 25 may hold up. 25 is also very strong support. I'm very calm and positive and meditated. Yeah, NXRP looking nice there. Well, I haven't meditated this morning, but I'm going to meditate after this. I'll meditate and think about my life. But we'll give the stream about 20 more minutes here, and then I got to get going. So if you guys have any questions, suggestions, or ideas, go ahead and get those in. We're really testing that 25. NXRP pushing, getting close to that 14 area. Break of 14. We could see 15. Looks like it's going to try to test it. And we're testing now. Let's see. We're going to get, oh, there we go. Breaking 14. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Where's that top of those candles? The tops of those candles at 1484. So if I don't see 1484 break down, although we're going straight up to them right now. Woo! Right through 1484. Oh, we're getting halted. Oh, I thought we were getting halted, hitting 15. That looked like we were getting halted for a second. There was a lot of buying coming in here. And then they got all just slowly taken out. If we get halted at 15, that would be extremely nice. Ooh, Neuro just cracked 25. Coming right down to that 200-day. So I'm very close to getting out of Neuro. See if we're going to test another 15. We come back up and hit that 15 again. Maybe. Oh, got a little close there. I think we're going to break 15. I'm not worried about it. I think we're going to get it. Yeah, we're about to get it right here. I'm more worried about Neuro cracking down on me. Yeah, look at that. I told you. Look at that. Big blowout over 15. Let's go. Let's go. Can we get halted? I only got 10 shares. That's all I had left in monies. Oh, we're still pushing. Hitting 1550. Oh, Neuro's starting to crack. I'm going to go ahead and lock 10 more shares of Neuro out. I still got 10 shares I'm going to hold for a second to see what happens. Oh, we're pulling back below 15 on this. Let's see if we pop back up above 15 or not. Not, I'll take it. Oh, there we go. Breaking back over 15 a little bit. Let's see. If this candle pushes over 15, we're going to be off again. If it doesn't, we're probably going to sell off. One of the two. And starting to push back over. Yeah. Oh, no. Indecision. We don't know. We don't know if we've got a little frisk left or not. I'm going to take it here. So another $20 in profit there. So, I don't even know how many trades I've took today. Good Lord. 64, 84, 104, 105, 50 on the other play, 165. Very nice. Very nice. Well, I'm done for the day. I've traded all my funds. Very good day, very profitable day. I hope some of you traders, if not all of you, I hope you guys made some profit. Because, boy, this is hotcakes today. I don't know how the guy y'all were talking about with the hat. Look at our IPA still pushing up as well. Just breakouts everywhere. It is a little bit of a tricky day, though, because there were some that looked like they were going to break out. And then some, like IGC. Although IGC, the reason this didn't break out is because this was bullish all through pre-market. It was above the 10 adaptive. So it never had a pullback below it. Well, a little bit there, but never really had a good correction. So that's why at market open it just kind of sold off there. Neuro, ooh, that 10 EMA is about to crack below the 200 there, possibly. looks like we may dump on there. I may just go ahead and lock it out, so I can always get back in it later. Because it is extremely bearish right now, especially if this 10 crosses over the 200 here. Good morning, Cool J. How's it going, buddy? See, no, I was trying to hold up at 23.20. Before we go, going good for you too. That's good to hear, man. Like it when people, everything's going. Get out of here. You get 6 months free on TradingView. I'll have to look at that here in a little bit. Then I was wanting to look at my charts, but it's not going to let me until I do that. Oh boy. Alright guys, so I'm going to call it a day. Appreciate everybody joining me. We'll be back tonight with the last RIP episode, and then tomorrow for the live stream. Day trading again. See how Friday ends off. See if we can end the week off with some more green. It looks like Neuro may try to find a bottom here. We'll see. But yeah, appreciate everybody joining me as always. Guys, stay safe out there. Until next time.